Alrighty, Super's gonna try one more of these up. Oh yeah, pick box number 61. See if we can get a decoy in here. It could happen. Not every case has one, but it seems like it. Damn, hard to get in this one. It seems like every case, a lot of the cases have one, not every case. Well, this one does not. Alright. We're off. Daniel Sedin, 249. Daniel Sedin. Eric Gudbranson. That one's 249. I think he got his draft board earlier. This is a good looking card. Honorable numbers, but it's got the cool patches in there. Anze Kopitar, 7 of 11. Looks better. Pull away. Good looking card. 7 of 11. Anze Kopitar. Show it up here. Nice chunks in that one. And then 4 of 10. Cody Eakin. There you go. Next, patch autograph, signature patches, Derek Stepan. And the last one, just a patch, number 2 of 10, Taylor Hall. Taylor Hall patch. Alrighty then. That will do it. I'll get this on the way, buddy. See ya.